Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a PR unboxing. We have a lot of products from a lot of different companies and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I feel like from the start of this channel, I've been starting to receive a lot more products from companies and I'm super excited about that and to share the journey with you guys. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started opening these boxes. Okay, we'll start with the first product, and this is from Snapple Elements. So on the side of the box, it shows you they have some new flavors for drinks that's coming out. It is the Earth, Air, Rain, and Fire. But today, we have the Cherry and Fig Black Tea. Sorry, we're getting a little flashback here. So let's see what it's supposed to have. It says that it's supposed to have less sugar, no artificial flavors or sweeteners, and the ingredients look pretty simple. They have the black tea, water, sugar, citric acid, and natural flavors. I definitely don't remember choosing this one, but I'm excited to try it. I think the fig will kind of help with this. And the next one we'll be opening is the Cantu Biotin Infused Hair and Scalp Oil. Okay, so it has the little flyer that goes with it that tells you like what it's supposed to be used for. So it says that it's made with 99% naturally derived ingredients. It adds shine and seals in moisture, and it's lightweight and non-greasy. So this is the oil. I always love a good oil. Let's look at some of the ingredients. It has castor oil, peppermint oil, vitamin B7, some rice oil. It kind of has a bit of ingredients as you can see. I'm trying to get it to focus. And then just opening it. Let me smell it. Oh, it smells a lot like peppermint. It's very, well, you guys know what a peppermint smells like, but that's like the first smell that hits my nose. Like sometimes it can be kind of potent, but it feels good on the scalp sometimes, like a little tingly. But this is it. So I'll definitely be letting you guys know what that one does, how it works. I'll use it for like a couple weeks before I like truly review it. Okay, so the next one we have the Shea Moisture. And can we have a moment for the box? Like, it looks good. It looks good. Like, we love it. It's like I want to keep the box. And they always like have really nice boxes with their story on it. You know, just talking about Shea Moisture or like their new line when they come out and everything like that. And it's just explaining that it like this line is to help you have visibly healthier hair and a happy scalp. And it is a 4-part system. Now I only have 2 items of this 4-part system, so that's going to be the Scalp Moisture Conditioner and the Scalp Moisture Cream. So to be complete, I would need to get, there are 2 other items, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you guys. And I'm reading the package right now. It's saying that there is no mineral oil. I'll show you the bottle in just a second. The wrapper's just giving me a hard time. What's new? And it's a good size bottle too. And it has vitamin B3 in it and aloe. So these are, there are 3 main ingredients. It's going to be the aloe butter, the vitamin B3, and shea butter, which are all ingredients that we love. And this is the ingredients list. Let me go ahead and take a smell. The one thing I like is that it doesn't smell like overly like fragrant, like they put a whole bunch of fragrance like perfume in here to make it smell so good, because sometimes when they do that, it's like they're distracting from the fact that the product doesn't actually, you know, do what it says. And I can appreciate that they didn't try to do that there. And then we have the Scalp Moisture Cream with the vitamin B3. Same thing, it has those 3 main ingredients, the aloe butter, the vitamin B3, and the shea butter. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back. Also, again, a great size bottle. I'm definitely gonna be using this because my hair can get very dry, y'all. Like, I am so happy to be receiving this product because sometimes I need that. Okay, so now we're gonna open the next package. So here we have the next package. This one is actually not from Influenster, which I know you guys are used to it. I have subscribed to a new company that gives out products, Home Tester Club, you guys. You guys also can sign up to be testers and review. I don't have like this huge following or anything. Like, anybody can do it. Like, you can do it with no followers, you can do it with 10,000 followers, but you guys need to sign up for Home Tester Club and also Influencer, because I've been telling y'all that for over a year. Okay, but I have the Band-Aid in the skin tone color, and I'm dark skinned, of course. As you can see, it already looks like it matches my skin. Don't talk about my nails. I have to go get a refill before my birthday. And these are the Band-Aids with the extra large size. I love it. I love it because they should have been doing this. Like, they only had one color. So I'm gonna take it out and make sure y'all actually see. Oh, I done ripped it. And just for y'all, I'm gonna open one slightly so we can see if it is truly like the box. And just like that, it's like skin. So much better, so much less noticeable than those light ones. So I love that, and I'm glad I received those. Okay, so now we have a package from The Ordinary. Love, love, love The Ordinary. This one's from Influenster. Bucks. And of course, with the marketing, they've got that down pack. They're gonna make sure something's on there, that the box is cute but simple. And they have the little flyer and just saying like what this one is supposed to do. It's moisturizing. It's a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. And I've been needing a new moisturizer because of the new like skin products I'm using. I can't use my current moisturizer, and it sucks but this one I can use with the products. So I'm so excited. Okay, this is the 3.4 ounce bottle. Look at that. I'm sure you guys already have things from The Ordinary, but I'm just gonna sample it. I'm gonna do it on camera so you guys can see. Of course, there's something on it preventing it from coming out. I just want to see how lightweight it really is. Oh, so it's like a it's a gel formula. So you know how most moisturizers are, you know, white and thick. Wow, that feels super thin. Like in a good way. Like you can walk out. It's not greasy. A gel formula. This is my first time seeing a gel formula for a moisturizer, but that's probably the best idea. I'm definitely gonna let you guys know how it works. And the directions say to use it morning and night. That makes me excited to have a gel one. Very excited. And the ingredients, I wonder where it is. Okay, here goes the ingredients list. The first one on there is water. So important. You know, a lot of these companies, some of the products look a little crazy sometimes. I have to actually sit through it and look. But I'm definitely excited to try that gel formula. And the smell is just like a fresh smell. That's about it. Yeah. And then I think I have saved one of the best for last. Y'all, even though the package seems light, this is a moment for me because I have been waiting and waiting for a product from this company, and I finally got one. Okay, they have their flyer and they have the product itself. No other than YSL. Finally YSL Beauty. Cause I've always looked at some of their colors and I'm like, oh, it's so nice. Like, I really like it. But yeah, so they have a candy glaze lip gloss stick out. The shine is has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. And it says for plumper lips, but the thing is my lips are pretty much, they're full. I really don't need them to be any bigger, but you know, that's the look nowadays, so the girls will eat that right up. And then this is gonna be in the shade 02. Very excited. All right, y'all, be struggling with these boxes. I open them so terribly, and I don't be want to rip them. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna open it together. This is a shade 02. It looks a little light on camera. It has a little bit more color in person. Not much, but a little bit. So you just turn it to get it out. Sorry. And it's like a little balm. I'm gonna try it on. Oh, it feels really nice. Feels better. Definitely better than the ones in the stores. It's just a balm. That's it. It's not, let me see. How can I explain it? It's just like a simple, like a more moisturizing, like chapstick situation. That's it. But it does give a shine. Like the shine, it's more shiny than a regular like chapstick or something. Like it's the perfect cross between a balm and a lip gloss. Like the gloss isn't too much. Honestly, it's kind of like perfect. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And as always, I will have more content for you in the future. Thanks.